Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. The long-awaited lease agreement between the St. James Municipal Corporation and Montego Bay Multisports Development Limited is now on the verge of finalization, with the news that all documents are in place and ready to be signed. Christopher Scott has the details.
A year and a half after Montego Bay Multisports Development Limited, led by businessman Yoni Epstein, emerged as the lone bidder for the lease of the Montego Bay Sports Complex, the long-running process is finally nearing its conclusion. The delay stemmed largely from the St. James Municipal Corporation awaiting the final approval from the Ministry of Local Government, which was needed to advance the agreement. However, the pen is now poised to meet paper, with the lease agreement documents scheduled to be signed next Tuesday.
I want to bring to the public's attention that the long-awaited approval from the ministry and the approval from the council has been, executed, and we are now into finalizing the agreement, signing the agreement, so we can move forward with the development of the Catherine Hall Sports Complex.
The lease agreement for the 15-year-old stadium is set to be in the range of $700 million, which would upgrade the 7,000-seater stadium into a multi-sports facility and will be for 25 years.
This will be a new era for sports in Western Jamaica. We're going to bring the Western champs back to Montego Bay and Western Jamaica, as well as enhance football and several other disciplines.
With the damage done to the stadium by Hurricane Melissa, Jarrett Park was brought into the focus as it once more became the facility of choice. But even it needs some work.
Jarrett Park has a new committee in place, and their mandate is to bring Jarrett Park to a level that is conducive to facilitate cricket and football and the communities that are in immediate proximity of the Jarrett Park space. Of course, the schools, they utilize it, and several other entities. We are not looking at the build-out of Jarrett Park at this point in time. We have to do it a stadium at a time, and Catherine Hall will be the stadium that we're looking to expand now.
At the moment, the Montego Bay Sports Complex is struggling to get back to its former glory. And while sports took a backseat for the recovery, there's a new occupant in place. But with the agreement to be signed soon, they will have to be on the move for a new home, pending work to start at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.